That is the different types of angles and what we call them. Now, I was just wondering, have you ever done any work on angles in maths? Yes or no? No, okay. So the first one, if we had a point here, and an angle. This line up here look, so we've got that point there, and we're going across. If we went up there, that would be 90 degrees. So any angle that is less than 90 degrees is called acute. A-C-U-T-E, and that is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. Now, an angle of 90 degrees, which we would draw like this, 90 degrees, is called a right angle. Not looking at my tongue. And then if we drew a straight line across the bottom, just a straight line, that would be 180 degrees. And that would be called a straight angle. But anything past so anything, who are look, anything past 90 degrees anything past 90 degrees, so we've got our 90 degree angle, anything past 90 and up to 180 will be called an obtuse angle, O-B-T-U-S-E, so that's 90 degrees to 180 degrees. We're going to draw a couple of diagrams, and I want you to tell me whether it's obtuse, acute, right or straight. So, this is our first angle, look. So we've got the flat, and we know that that's the 90 degrees, and we're going to draw the angle here. So that would be, what kind of angle? That would be A, C, AC, finish it off. You good. T. Finish it off. Up here. E, that's right. That one would be acute. And if we had this angle here, ready? This angle here, we're going to go straight down and straight across. So it would be 90 degrees, and it would be called a R, I, G, H, go on, T, a right angle, that's right. Now this time, we've got our point, and we've got our starting point and our ending point. Ready? So here's our point. Now we're going to work out the angle. And it's going all the way across like that. This one we would call A, S, T, R, A, I, G, keep going, brilliant, H, T, that's right, a straight angle. And the last one, we have our point, we have our starting line, and I want you to find this angle here. So this is our straight angle, this is our right angle, keep looking, this is our right angle. What would we call an angle from there to there? That would be called O, B, keep going, O, B. T, good, doing brilliantly. O, B, T, U, S, that's right. And finish it off. Finishing it? Finish it off. E, that's right. And obtuse angle. And we've got 2 more that we're going to look at. The first one is 180 degrees to 360 degrees. So we've got our point and our start line. Now we know that a straight line is 180, so this angle is going past 180, it's going all the way around to here. So there's our point, this is our start line, this is our straight line, and this is our angle down here. Now our angle is going all the way around from 0 to here, and that would be called a reflex angle. Now if we had a start point here and a straight line here, so we're going from our start point, we want to measure this angle, and it is going all the way around to be a full circle. So you've got your straight line, but this time you're going all the way around to form a full circle, and that is called 360 degrees, and we call it a revolution. So the first angle we looked at, 180 to 360, so there's our 180, here's our angle, 180 to 360, and we call that kind of angle a R. Not G. Sit down, finish this one off before you go down. Finish this one off. No? Okay, go on then. If you... Aren't you going to finish this one off first? So we were just looking at this angle, and it was one that we said anywhere between 180, which is a straight line, and 360. And you started and you put R-E, so the name of it, R-E. Go on, start it again. Do the R-E. No. You can do it. Come on, finish it off. R-E. Come on. Do some singing afterwards. F. L. Good. Go on. E. Look at your letterboard. No, look at your letterboard. X, that's right. Reflex. And the last one that we looked at was when it did a whole 360 degrees. And we called that kind of angle a... Good. Remember what we said there, try and keep going with the word. I am going to finish that word before I put my fingers down. Good. E. R-E. B. O. L. U. T. I. O. N. That's right, a revolution. So, quick recap. An acute angle is an angle between 0 and how many degrees? 0 and 90, that's right. And
further?
Yeah, we'll put the timer on. We've got probably about 10 minutes more. We've got a few more things to do. Okay? Now, if we'd got a right angle, how many degrees would that be? A right angle would be 9. That's right, the right angle would be 90 degrees. And an obtuse angle, I know, this time you tell me the degrees of an obtuse angle. Just any. Just pick some numbers for the degrees of an obtuse angle. 1, 3, 0. Yeah, 1, 3, 0, because anything between 90 and 180 is obtuse. Now, straight line would be 1, 8, 0. Brilliant. Straight line, 180 degrees. Now, can you tell me another example? Got 2 more of these examples. We're going to have an example of a reflex angle. So give me some degrees of an angle of a reflex. 2, 5, 2, 5, any more? 2, 5, 5, yeah, 2, 5, 5, good, because a reflex angle is anything between 180 and 360, and when you do a full revolution, the degrees would be 3, 6, go on, finish it off, 3, 6, 0, that's right, 360, a full revolution. Brilliant. Now, last little bit on this section is naming the angles. Now when you draw the angles, instead of just saying what is the angle, you can name the angle. So angle, for example, ABC. Now, let's find a really quick example using ABC. So we want to tell us the name of this angle. So we've got A at the top, B, the point there, and it ends C there. So we would say that that angle, it could be A, B, C, or it could be C, B, A. Now, we've also got some other ones which might have more than 3 letters. It might have T, U, V, W. Oh, was that the finger that you hurt on the DVD? Yeah, it looks okay. It's not bleeding, is it? So this one, we want to try and find out this angle here. So we have T there. There's T. We have W up here, U at the point, and V there. Now this T over here, there isn't any angle line touching that. So we can cross that one out for the moment. And the letters we're left with are V, U and W. So we could have angle V, U, W or W, U, V. Now, I'm just going to draw one example on here and see whether you can name this angle for me.
Go.
So the first one that we've got, here's the angle that we want to find. Now it's in acute angle, and this is the angle that we want to find. So we've got Y up here, we've got Z here, and we've got X here. So to name that angle, you could call that angle. You could call that angle Y. Yeah. 5 minutes. Y. Think about what you do. It's not that way. Y. Z. And finish it off. X. Good. And one more. We've got a box here. And we want to try and find out this angle down the bottom. And we've got A, B, C and D. Good job. So we've got here a box. We've got point A, B, C and D. And we want to find this angle here. What do you think we would name that angle? A, C, D. Good. Well done. Brilliant. A, C, D. Now, would you like to have a look at the next geometry exercise, angles on a straight line? Yeah? Okay, so we'll just set that for 5 minutes. Now, angles on a straight line. So we know that the angles on a straight line would be, they would all add up to what? The angles on a straight line would all add up to 1, 8, finish it off, 180, that's right, 180. Good. And we're going to work out some angles here when we're given one of the angles on the straight line. Let's sit down, 5 minutes. Doing brilliantly. So, hang on. You're going to be given the one or more of the angles on the straight line, and then I want you to tell me what the other angle is left. Okay? So start with an easy one. We've got a straight line here, and we know that this angle is 50 degrees, so I want you to tell me what the other angle is. 1, 3, 1, 3, 0. That's right, 130. Brilliant. So this time we've got 2 angles. We've got 67 degrees, 85 degrees, and I want you to tell me the angle of X. 2, 8, 28. Brilliant. Now, this time we've got a right angle and we've got 45 degrees. So we know that the right angle is 90 and 45, so the angle X would be 4, 5. That's right, 45. Brilliant. This time we're going to have one that's a little bit trickier. So we've got our straight line. The first angle, 32 degrees. Then 35 degrees. Then 54 degrees. So angle X would be, let's just finish this one off. Sit down, last one. Sit down, last one. Yeah, we'll see Mum afterwards. Let's finish this one. So we've got angle, we've got 32, 35, 54. Angle X would be... Brilliant. 50. Last one.
Mama.
So we're just going to finish off where we were then. We were trying to find the angle of X when we'd got Alright, mate. Come on then, let's finish off. So the angle of X when we've got 32 degrees, 35 degrees and 54 degrees, and X would be 50, look at your letterboard. What did you want there? Look at your letterboard, what did you want? 50 what? 59, that's right, 59. Now this one is a bit of a tricky one, but I thought we'd give it a go. Okay? This will be the last one. Now, we've got a straight line here, and we've got a 90-degree angle here. Now this angle here, 26 degrees. And we've got another right angle here. And we want to work out how much this angle is here. So, we've got a right angle here, and we know that this much is 26. We've got another right angle here, and we need to work out this angle here, X. So, how many degrees would angle X be? 20, 26, that's right, 26 degrees. Brilliant. So we've learned all about acute angles, obtuse angles, reflex angles, right angles, straight lines and revolutions. And then we've worked out the angles missing on a straight line. So we'll carry on with our geometry next session. Yeah, now would you like to do some piano playing, or would you like to do some history? Piano playing first.
Go on then.
Okay, come on then, round we go.